Dear friends and viewers, welcome to Joe Newton Online Class. Here in this class, we are going to tackle this problem on the board. Of course, the topic is arithmetic progression, popularly known as AP or linear progression in algebra. Then, don't forget that this is under mathematics. Let us look at the question on the board. But before we proceed to that, an arithmetic progression is a linear sequence such that the successive terms have a common difference. The successive terms have common difference. That is arithmetic progression. We still have what we call a geometric progression, which is a exponential progression or exponential sequence. Thank you. Now quickly, the question says, given an AP 5, A, B, C, 33, we were asked to find the values of A, B, and C. This is very simple. So, solution. How to find this is that for the AP generally, the formula of an AP is given by, for AP, the formula is given that Tn, that is any number of terms, is equal to A plus n minus 1 d, where n is this the formula for general term for AP for any number of terms of an AP, where A is called the first term, n is the what? The number of terms, then d is the common difference. How do we get the common difference? We get the common difference by subtracting maybe the second term minus first term or third term minus second term. That is how to get the what? The common difference. Okay, now in this case, we still from here we have a simplified formula for finding a number of terms any time we want to get the value. Now we have here in our question our first term, which is what? A is equal to 5. That the first number there is the first term. We use letter A to represent it. That's one letter A. Then we can see that we have first, second, third, fourth, fifth terms. So this 33 is the fifth term. So we can see that our T5, which is the fifth term is equal to, when I mean the fifth term, our fifth term, T5, is equal to A plus 4D. This is obtained from the general formula because 5 minus 1 is 4. 4 times D is 4D. That is it. So, and we are given that the fifth term is 33. Equals to 33. So with this now, we can find the common difference first. Once we find the common difference, we can easily find the other values, the missing values. So from here, making an equation with this, since this is our fifth term, we can now substitute this 5 for A here and get the common difference, D. Now for the common difference, we have, then for D, we simply do that, substitute here. We have that 5 plus 4D is equal to 33. Our 5 is our A. Then we now, that is our A here is 5. We now have that 4D is equal to 33. 5 cross over here, minus 5. So that 4D is equal to 33 minus 5 will give us what? Will give us 28, equals to 28. Then our D is equal to 28 over 4, which is equal to 7. So you can see that 7 is our common difference. So in that AP, the 7 is the common difference of the successive terms of the AP. Now, we cannot get, therefore, for us to find A, for big A, and this A here is second term, first, second term. So which is T2 is equal to A plus D. So for A, which is second term, is A plus D. because 2, the number of times is still 2. 2 minus 1 is what? 1. 1 times d is d. So which will give us our a is what? 5. Plus our d is 7, which will give us what? 12. Then for b, I believe by now you will guess what b would be. So for b, you have b is a3, the number 3, 1, 2, 3, the third term is equal to a plus 2d. A plus 2d, because 3 minus 1 is 2, 2 times d is d. So a plus 2d, which is 5 plus 2 bracket, our d is what? 7. That will give you 5 plus 14, which is equal to what? 19. Then for our c, which is T4 in the sequence 1, first, second, third, fourth. T4 is equal to a plus 3d, which is equal to our a is still 5 plus 3 bracket, our d is 7, which will give us what? 5 plus 3 times 7 is 21, which will give us what? 21 plus 5, 26. So our values, our a, b, and c are, from the question we have our a is 12, then 19, and 26 respectively. So this is how to solve question like this in arithmetic progression, known as what? AP. So for more of these solutions in mathematics and physics, visit my YouTube channel at Joenewton Online Class. Subscribe to get notifications. Then go to my Facebook page, like, follow me, and share. So I believe you can simply tackle similar problems in arithmetic progression. Remember the general formula and the simplification.